لما البحر إشي كبير، يعني إشي كبير، والبحر إحنا صغار وكبار ما مفوتة ولا بنعرف.
The sea is a big thing, a very big thing. The sea, young and old, haven't seen it. We don't even know it. For me to go in, I need a pass تصاريح and will face many problems just for me to see the sea. The sea is ours. The sea belongs to Palestine. The way you see it, I also want to see it other than the sea. There are other things like Jerusalem. You can't see it and I can't. What's the problem? I don't make any troubles or any problems. So why can't I be there? The sea is something so big and beautiful.
البحر بالنسبة إلي عالم آخر، يعني غير إنه مية، بس بحر إشي عظيم.
To me, it's something else. It's not just the sea to me. It's like another world. Okay, there's swimming and nice scenery, but it can also be a treatment. The water can be a treatment for the body and for self-peace. It's something you've always wanted to see, and other than that, when I hear that my family didn't go to the sea, I go back and tell them what I saw the day I went to the sea, how I was happy and glad, and it's an amazing feeling. I can't put into words the feeling, and I want everyone to go like me, for them to get a bus, or I don't know how, but the main thing is for them to see the sea like me and to feel like I did when I saw the sea.